In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use smartphone as drawing pad for PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a smartphone, you can actually use it as a drawing pad for your PC. This is useful if you want to draw, do illustrations, or if you want to play games like OSU, which benefit from having a drawing pad or tablet like this one. Even if you don't have a stylus, you will still be able to get this done. So in order to do it and use your smartphone as a drawing tablet, you need to download this software. So on this website, sunnysidesoft.com, you can find virtual tablet. So look for this on Google. As you can see, it is an application that allows you to connect your smartphone or tablet to your PC. So you will run the server on your PC, and while the server is running, you can connect it with your smartphone. So to get started, download Virtual Tablet on your PC. This is going to be the server that you will be running on the background. So download it here, depending on which version you want. And once you have this downloaded, you will be able to set it up on your smartphone. So this is how the server looks like for your PC. You can see the name, the IP, which is the important part to properly connect. Then the selected screen, which is the monitor that you are using, and you can download the application through the Google Play Store. Keep in mind that they have a light version, which is free, which might include ads and some limited features, and then they have the paid one, which includes all of the features and no ads. When you download this, you can choose the option to connect over Wi-Fi, which I highly recommend, or you can even use Bluetooth, depending if your PC is capable of doing this. Your PC needs to be on the same network as your mobile device, and in here you can input the IP address that you see available on the server. So copy the server IP, input it here, and once the server IP has been input, you will have a virtual tablet screen on your smartphone. So now you will be able to control your cursor and do all sorts of actions and movements using your smartphone, as long as virtual tablet is running. I hope I was able to help you on how to use smartphone as drawing pad for PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.